Assalamu alaikum, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today I'm gonna talk about multi-cloud. It's a service for putting multi-cloud drive together, and you can interact, signing between them or transferring files, and actually checking file like an explorer. So let us just take a look at the plans. So if you are having an issue for transferring your website from old server to a new server, so this is the best and sweetest actually solution for you, because what you are doing is just very basic. You'll just add your old server FTP detail or SSH detail, and the other server actually details also. So the free plan, which is I'm in right now, current plan, giving you 30 gigabytes data traffic per month, and two modes, because it has many modes. If you see here, it has more than, it's up to 8 modes. And on free mode you have simple signing supported and two-way signing, which is pretty much good. Cloud to cloud file transfer and signing, this is what you need while migrating from a web server to another one. So actually I had a website, so I had to migrate from the old server to the new server, and I checked out the size of all files of this WordPress software, and you see it's around 24.6, around that. So what you are gonna do and how to use this multi-cloud service, just add your first server here. You can see it has FTP. Also you can here choose SFTP or FTPS. SFTP is the keyword, and you can skin that using the SSH detail. As you see, the port here is 22. You fill the detail, and if it has a private key, you can paste the key detail here, and you will also using the same way you are gonna add the other FTP account. But by the way, let us talk about this server. It's actually very clever, because you see it has many options: Google Drive, G Suite, Dropbox. You can sign in between all of them and keep your backups on many of them, or you just like save on one place, and this application will do other for you. It will sign in between them and make backups for you on other accounts. So it's actually awesome. Okay, so do you see, if you see here, we have cloud transfer. So what does it mean? Cloud transfer is meaning transferring file from a server to another server, from a place to another place. So you see, select the directory you want to transfer, select the target you want to save the file to. So here we are going to select a file we want to transfer, select a folder you want to transfer. Actually I just selected this, and I want to this was from emad old server, so I want just to maybe copy to here. Let it just, well, anywhere actually. You can just paste it here, right? Okay, just transfer now. If you see, we have this. You see that right now I launched this actually yesterday. And I told you this server contains 24.6 gigabytes. So using this service it will do everything, and you can even close this tab, so you don't even worry about your task. It's going on. You see our current launch. Just count the files first. So files 484, and yeah, this is it. So I hope you like it and enjoy.